how to add Bluetooth to audio car system. Hi everybody, welcome to New Tech Pro channel. If your audio car system don't have a Bluetooth wireless music, you can use this device. For example, I choose this device for this video. You can use this device for add a Bluetooth to audio car system. As you can see here, my audio car system have a USB port, only have a USB port, don't have a AUX input. For add Bluetooth, this device, as you can see, like a flash memory, very useful device, and use this device is very simple and easy for use. You can put this device here, USB port, okay, put this, and you can see here my device, turn it on stereo audio car system, USB play. Okay my friend, now you should turn it on cell phone and go to Bluetooth and scan, and you can see here BT118. I try connect and volume up, try connecting, pairing here, pair. You should click pair, connect and pair my phone to this device. Okay my friend, I can play music in my cell phone. Let's go to test. You can control music in your phone mobile, play and pause and volume up and volume down and next and previous. That's good. You can use this device, Bluetooth, dongle, USB for stereo car, for add Bluetooth to audio system car without Bluetooth. Please subscribe New Tech Pro channel and like this video and share this video. To next video, we introduce and test this dongle Bluetooth for audio car system. Thank you very much and goodbye.